everybody, Asong Filipina, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm just gonna show you what I shopped at Shein. So this is not a sponsored video, so I have this one, a tripod. So okay, let's make it quick and I'm gonna unbox it to you. So this is like $50. No, $25. And I buy this one at SM Mall. So this is an extra tripod. It's quite heavy. This is for the camera, but I'm using my cell phone for filming. I did not use my camera. So it's quite heavy, but it's good. I like it. So this is it, guys, while I'm wearing the flip-flops. It's one of my favorite. Okay, next is this one from Shein. This is just an anklet. I also buy an anklet and also some stuff. So let's find out what's inside. Well, I have this one. It's orange. Oh my, very colorful. So this is my okay, swimwear. It's quite big. Oh my god, it's big size. I need extra small. This is small, but the panty is quite big, but we'll see. So I have this one, and also just enjoy watching while I play my sandal. So this is quite long, but it's good. So this is jumpsuit. Oh my god, it's for the tall. Now this is good. Well, I'm gonna just put it aside, and I also have my earrings here. Yellow. Oh my, it's very colorful. I'm gonna wear this one. It's quite big. Hi everyone. So this is my earrings today. Okay, let's continue. I forgot what I shopped. So okay, I have short here with me. So this is the short. So aside, and this is my hair clip. So I also buy some wig. This is secret. So this is just for my hairstyle, and this is tops. So I'm gonna pair it with my short. So this is for the beach. So okay, and my anklet. So finally I have this anklet, and I'm gonna try this one. So wow, it's so cute. So I'm just gonna put aside my garbage. I love it. Ooh, super cute. Okay, I also have gold. So almost the same style. for the neck. Nice for the here also. It's good like this. So, okay, let's try on. This is for the right side, but I'm gonna put it here. Anyway, it's silver and gold, so one is smaller than the other one. So it's layered. So next, I still have one more. But I have no collection now. Oh, it's also an anklet. Oh yes, I'm gonna put it in my feet here. So something like this. This is for my toes. Yeah, just like that. So I'm gonna wear it next time. And then next is another anklet. So oh my god, it's also super cute. So I'm gonna try again because I love it. I love it, love it. Yes. So, one more thing here is my French nail color, nail polish for my French toasted bread for my French toenails later. So I have this one. I'm not sure if it is the right one, but this is my nail polish for my toes. Well, anyway, I'm gonna show you closer for my anklet. So that's all for now. I hope you enjoy. And then this one, I'm gonna color my nails later. French toenails. So that's the next plan. And that's all for now. See you next video. Bye everyone. Love you all. It's time to clean up. But for now, I'm gonna take off this one. I'm gonna put it aside.